Hi, beautiful. Mally Roncal from Mally Beauty here, and we are going to demonstrate for you this gorgeous black tie glam look with the Mally Beauty David's Bridal Bridesmaid Survival Kit. Okay, let's take a look at this gorgeousness going on right here. This dress, this beautiful shade, this gorgeous, soft sort of shimmer of a fabric with these beautiful earrings. It's all about this going on right now. So let's talk about Black Tie Glam. We are going to start with this beautiful palette. We're going to use Cocktail Hour as that beautiful pop of brightness in the inner corners, on the lids, on the brow bone. Also, we've got Charity Gala, which is a beautiful sort of mauve shade that we use all over the lid. We've also got Monday Meeting, which adds that little pop of brightness and adds a little bit of soft shimmer, but the star of the show right over here, Music Concert, that beautiful, deep, rich, dark charcoal that we used as a liner all over the lid and in the bottom lash line. Now, let's talk about some lips, honey, because when you got an eye like that, you need a gorgeous, beautiful lip. So we've got Pumped Up Pink, gorgeous gloss. You want to reapply all throughout the night to get that beautiful, beautiful, plump, gorgeous, glossy lip. So, enjoy a little black tie glam with your David's Bridal Bridesmaid Survival Kit and this gorgeous look.